From the previous lecture, you understand what is making money online. Now, in this lecture, I'm going to discuss with you the different ways to earn through online. As I said in the previous lecture, doing online business is very easy, but you have to focus and learn the methods to do it. Because without learning about it, you can't earn in online business. Some people think that it is a difficult way to do it, but do you know it is the easiest business when compared to others? And also, do you know something? There are some ways to do online business without any investment. Just think about it. It sounds good, right? But without investment, how can you earn money? You must be excited right now. Yeah, it is the specialty in online business. I will never tell that every methods are without investment. Let me tell you some of the methods to earn money in online without investment. You can earn money through online by using this method, but in the upcoming lecture, I'm gonna explain you the excellent method to earn money through online. It is one of the ways to earn money through online without investment. Nowadays, online business is very popular and it has worldwide business. I want you to be successful in online business, so I have selected this method for you. So far, I hope you understand what I discussed with you. I think now you got some idea about making money online method. In the upcoming lectures, I will discuss with you about how to earn money online through Adsense. So don't skip any of my lectures because I'm going to tell you everything about making money online. Now let's move to it.